tripped. Well, the pump works. Pump works. You got 2 furnaces in the house, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the pump works. We replaced the heat exchanger on the other one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think this one's shot too because I'm seeing evidence of rust at the top. So let me get into it a little more. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it's all wet. Yeah, the heat exchanger's shot. Damn it. Oh boy, it's dark. Damn it. Well, let me get a camera in there. Let me just cram this thing in here. Great. Great. How the heck am I going to get in this thing? No room. Yeah. Oh man. All back there. Leaking water at the bottom. Oh boy. Yeah, she's shot. Oh. Let's get back together. it over down here. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Well, that was a certainly small crawl space. It's in an addition, and it maybe does about 800 square feet, if that. There's only a 14-inch and 2 6-inch runs off the supply. So I mean, all it does is handle the small addition. So that customer, yeah, that was a 2007 furnace. I told him we could do the heat exchanger. You know, it is under warranty. He opted to do a new furnace, 2-stage furnace, and that's going to keep it a little more comfortable in there instead of, you know, thermostat placement isn't optimal. I mean, it's right by the supply, so I think it'll keep it a little more, let's say, tighter temperature in there with a 2-stage furnace. And we're going to knock it down to 40,000 BTUs. At the time in 2007, I think the smallest furnace maybe was a 60 that they stocked. They could have ordered the 40, I think. They could have ordered the 40, but it was a non-stocker. So they opted with the 60 or whatever they could get at the time. So we're just going to replace that furnace. It's going to be a little smaller, but for the application it's going to be a lot better. But that's it for this one. We will catch you on the next one here. Like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you on the next one.